Hello and good morning. Thank you so much for joining our morning prayer. Today my topic is for people who attract bad consequences or results. Like money, it actually takes a lot of practice to spend it well. And the same is true for the way we use our thoughts. It takes training to be able to use them in a good way. So in the teachings of happy science, we often mention about the work of thoughts. And in many of Master's kyotens, like the 10 principles from Cantare, Think Big, I Can, the Unhappy Syndromes, or Miraculous Ways to Conquer Cancer, among all these different kyotens with various topics, there is one rule, one law that Master says repeatedly in many different phrases. For example, what you think is who you are. Thoughts manifest. Like attract likes. And the laws of same wavelengths. These are basically the work of thoughts or the work of the mind. Master is teaching us what kind of image or vision you hold can change your future, your destiny, and it can both lead in a good way or a bad way depending on what kind of mind you hold. So the reason why Master Ryuho Okawa repeatedly say about how to use or become aware of your thought or the mind is that humans are not what they appear on the outside, but what lies on the inside. This is the truth. This means that we are a spiritual being. So those who tend to attract bad consequences or misfortunes can choose to walk a different path or a brighter path if you could use the power of the mind correctly. Shifting your mind is the key. Because those who attract bad or dark future, they are in another sense have a high spirituality, and since they have high spirituality, they are very sensitive. Master mentioned this in the laws of realizing hope. Those with strong sensitivity, if you focus on the dark side, the dark future, you are likely to attract misfortunes like a magnet. Having high spirituality equals that you have some kind of magnetic force. So if your mind is attuned to a bad future or facing in an opposite direction, you are likely to attract many evil things. And these people, they will often try to share that idea or the thought with the people around them so that they can confirm themselves that what they predicted, what they are thinking about is right. This is a bad way to use the power of the mind, the power of the thought. For instance, there's a proverb that goes, "The love of those who murmur will never come true." This is a big problem because those people are convincing themselves through what they speak and what they hear through their mouth. Let's say that a person is always saying, "I'm not good at studying, I'm not smart." Even if it's true, it's not clever to confirm yourself that you are not smart. If that person is always speaking like that to whomever he meets or meets in his life, that person can never be smart. The person who heard you will see you in that way too. And you all know Napoleon Hill. One of his unique idea in his philosophy is the mastermind. Master Ryuho Okawa often talked about this in the past too. The term mastermind is simply put, it is an alliance of co-workers who share the same aspiration. And the smallest scale can be established between a married couple, friends, or your family. So if you keep saying negative things, people will see you or define you as negative. That itself is drawing or strengthening the power of negativity. So, and another example is that if you give a mirror to a 60-year-old person and let him say, I'm becoming senile, I'm senile, every day, what would happen? That 60-year-old will definitely become senile because thoughts have a tendency to manifest. So the point is, please do not confirm yourself with bad future or unwanted consequences. Master said clearly that if you have such a tendency to draw something bad in your mind and attract dark future, such a person cannot be saved. Even Buddha cannot save because he himself is loving himself to be unhappy. So, however, or whatever the hardship or troubles, amidst them, you will always find a key to unlock the future. That key is the mind of each and every person, each and every one of you. So what is this key? It's conviction. What do you want to create for the future? What kind of future are you looking for? You have to have conviction while contemplating this idea. With that conviction and strong belief, you can create the future. So to predict a bad future is not so difficult, and even if that bad prediction is right, will we be happy? You need to ask yourself about that. And I want people, including myself, to think about when something bad thoughts pop into your mind, please switch them to a positive thinking. It is better to cut the negative thoughts and thinking about bright future, use good and positive words. That alone can draw a good future, good friends, good partner. And having high spirituality means that if you switch your thoughts to a happier future, you will most likely to achieve that. You have such power in you. So to conclude, and to help you more, everyday prayers, meditation, and doing self-reflection is very important. And I hope in your daily busy life, you can take time, sit and relax and do meditation to face and discover what kind of bright future you want to head to or you want to achieve. Okay, so let us now do morning prayers together. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Okawa, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha, prayer to the Lord, and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prison of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow, arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddha land. Buddha land is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. Real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock, and you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to punt in a stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days. Or to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now, here, listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand and go straightly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your past have already gone by, yet still, your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is the reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite sad people to Buddha land. Now, here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirit in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas. Believe in that the light has reality. Believe in that love has reality. Believe in that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together, to keep right mind, and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here, we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. may you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. O Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil and open a future for us. O Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to Guardian and Guiding Spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits, deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and a shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this, I give my thanks. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.